Good morning, Chief Charter School. It is Tuesday, November 17th. Can you please stand with me for the Pledge of Allegiance? Please stand at attention, salute, pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Nicely done. You can go ahead and have a seat. Get yourself focused, buckle up. I'm going to talk for a few minutes, and then I've got a task for you to do with your class. So first of all, I want to give a huge shout out to Mrs. Etchison. Thank you for joining me yesterday to start the conversation about self-efficacy and tell us about how you've attempted hard things in your life. And I love how Mrs. Etchison said that she takes a hard task and breaks it up into little steps. We're going to talk about this today because there's one that you do all the time, which is setting goals. And setting goals is amazing. It is how you will do awesome things in your life. It's how you will show self-efficacy, but you got to set those goals in the right way. So you've probably heard of SMART goals. You might have had some conversations in class about them this year. SMART goals need to be these 5 things. Specific. Okay, we'll talk about that in a minute. Measurable, like how can you tell that you actually reached your goal? Attainable, that just means that it's possible. Relevant, we learned about relevance of school last week. Relevance just means it makes sense. It goes with what you're talking about. So your goal has to go with what you're trying to learn in school. And your goal needs to be time bound. Like, when do you say you're going to finish your goal? Do you think you'll finish it by next week, next month, next period? All right, so let's take a look at a possible goal here. What if I had a goal and my goal is to run fast? Okay, that's not a bad goal. Running fast is good. I would like to run faster. That's nice, but it's not a SMART goal. I don't know how I'm going to reach this goal. I don't know how I would practice. I don't know. Let's try and workshop that goal a little bit. Maybe I change that goal just a little bit. And instead of saying run fast, I write, I will run a 5-minute mile. Okay? Now let's take a look at that and see if it's a SMART goal. Okay? I'm specific, so I'm talking about running. It's measurable now. I can run like a 5-minute mile, 1 mile in under 5 minutes. Oh man, I'm not sure that's attainable. Maybe. I'm not talking about for anybody. There's people that are listening to this that could set a goal of 5-minute mile. I'm talking about for me. Okay? I'm 41 years old. I'm in okay shape, but my knees have taken a lot of abuse over the years. I don't know. Let me rethink that one a little bit and see if I can make it attainable. I will run a 9-minute mile. Okay, that's a better goal. Like, I will run a 9-minute mile. So let's check out my SMART goal here. It's specific. I'm going to run faster. It's measurable. I'm going to try and run that mile in 9 minutes. I set my timer, go, finish a whole mile in 9 minutes. It's attainable. That one feels possible. I cannot do that today, so that would be a good goal for me. It's relevant because, I want to get faster, so it makes sense. Goes with what I'm talking about. Oh, time bound. I didn't say when I would run that. Okay, let's see if I can change that up a little bit. I will run a 9-minute mile by January 1st. That checks all the boxes. Specific. It's measurable. It's 9 minutes. It's possible. By January 1st, I gave myself a deadline. Okay, that's looking pretty good. But then I'm thinking, I like that goal, but that's a big goal, Mr. Right. What do I do today? What will I do today to start reaching my goal? Like, how can I break that into a small chunk? Okay, this is a good SMART goal for just today. A little tiny chunk. I will run 5 laps today, and I'm going to time myself on each lap. There you go. Super specific. It's measurable. It's possible. I can run 5 laps today. It's relevant. It's relevant because it goes with my big goal of running a 9-minute mile by January 1st. And it's time bound because I said I'm going to do this today, by the end of today. So I've got a few that I'd like you to workshop with your class and see if you can make each of these goals a SMART goal. I wrote some goals. They're probably goals similar. You might have actually written some of these exact goals in Summit before. Work with your class and discuss and see if you can make each one a SMART goal. And I put some little tips in there about what you need to add in to make that goal a SMART goal. Remember, we're talking about self-efficacy, which is this idea that you can actually accomplish the things you want to in life. And the way you need to accomplish things in life is by setting goals. If you don't set goals, you're probably not going to reach those goals, right? So take some time, discuss with your class, see if you can workshop each of those 4 goals. By the way, teachers, that 4th one is just wide open. So if you want to talk about it for a while, there's your opportunity. That's the wide open option. Have a great day, Achieve.